Mes chers élèves, bonjour. Joyeux mercredi, c'est le milieu de la semaine. It's the middle of the week. Alors, today we are going to continue working on verb faire. Remember that faire means to do or to make, depending on the context. We are going to review how to conjugate it. So let's see. Yes, to conjugate faire. Here I put you one side. This side you will see je, tu, the subject pronoun, and here the different way of writing faire depending on je, or conjugation. So look at carefully. You have je fais, and you see that you have the FAI of faire. You will find it here, and then the ending is S. Tu fais, the ending is S. Il, elle, on fait, the ending is T. Nous faisons, and the ending here is SONS. Vous faites, this is the big one that you have to remember. You have to really remember. It's vous and ils, elles, plural. Vous avez vous faites et ils, elles font. So, let's see again. Je fais, S. Tu fais, S. Ils, elles, on fait, T. Nous faisons, and you will see that, you will hear me saying nous faisons, nous faisons. Je fais, tu fais, ils, elles, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font. Voilà. Remember it, and I ask you to review that conjugation with the flashcard you were supposed to do. You were supposed to do your flashcard on Monday. It's the best way to review. Check your flashcard again and memorize it. So now, once you see and you review how to conjugate faire, we are going to place it in a sentence, in sentences. But before going further, let's see what we will be doing today. After you will watch this video, the one I'm recording now, you will have a worksheet to fill, worksheet. Some of you are going to make fun of me. Worksheet. And the directions today is to review, as I said, the conjugation with your flashcard, and on your worksheet you will do the first assignment on the first exercise, and that exercise will be to fill up all the blanks. So you have je, and put what you should write. Ici, fait, it will be tu, of course, and then you continue. It's a way for you to retain the conjugation of faire. Because once you conjugate faire properly, it's going to be fun to use it with aller. Remember we saw aller? Don't forget aller, because once we finish with faire, then we are going to have different ways of saying what we want, in fact. More vocabulary, more ways to express yourself. After that, when you are done with the first part of the activity, you will watch a video. And in that video, it will be about sport, all the vocabulary of sport. I know that some of them are easy, like basketball, football. You know this one. You have other one like natation, escrime. So you are going to learn that, and you have pictures to help you. So go and look at that video. You are looking that video, it's not for nothing. It's because right after watching that video, you will go back to your worksheet and you will fill the activities that are coming here. Fill the blanks with the correct conjugated form of faire. And here you will find some of the verbs, some of the sport that you have on the video you just saw. And you'll have other words that you know and that we can use with faire, like les devoirs. Je fais mes devoirs. That means, you know, faire means to do. That means that I'm doing my homework. Je fais mes devoirs. So you see that it's much easier, because how are you going to say that you are actually doing your homework? It will verb faire. D'accord? And here there's another sentence, number 6, you will see, and you will totally understand the meaning of it. D'accord? And then it will be it for today. So you'll have to fill like usual your exit ticket, and the tutorial will be from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Before I forget, you have something extremely important. I told you that in my video on Monday. I'm not sure that all of you heard it, but I wrote it in red here. It's also on your Power School, Power School Unified Classroom. Friday, you have a quiz, and it's written here. Quiz on Friday. It will be on verbe aller plus préposition à. Remember, we saw préposition à, and vocabulaire de la ville. Okay, so vocabulaire de la ville, what is it? The different places like la piscine, le cinéma, and we saw that. So that's what you are going to have on your quiz on Friday. Only verbe avoir with, of course, in sentences and with the vocabulary of places. Voila. And if you want to see the vocabulary, go to your ebook, and it's going to be on pages 134, 135, and the conjugation will be 142 to 143, the conjugation of aller. Voilà, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Je vous souhaite une excellente journée, bon courage, et peut-être à cet après-midi, maybe this afternoon, entre 3h et 4h, between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Au revoir!